boys, Drew here at Bikeman Performance. Today we're going to show you what the 2020 Can-Am X3RR is capable of.
The 2020 Can-Am Maverick X3RR Turbo has a 900cc turbocharged triple-cylinder Rotax engine producing 195 horsepower. On our dyno, we found that it produces 146 horsepower at the rear wheel. Today, we're going to find out what we can get it up to with a simple tune and a Bikeman bolt-on performance kit. So as you can see, we got 187 horsepower to the wheels. That equates to approximately 250 horsepower at the engine.